with 70 employers just here and millions more across the country, it's really a great time to be in this industry because they're getting the top of the line overall compensation package when it comes to finding employment in the transportation industry. Right now, when you look at the need for technicians in the future, depending on what site you go to, there's needs for tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of technicians in the next 6 to 10 years because technicians that have been in the industry for a long time, they're retiring. And they're taking all that knowledge and experience with them. And so we need to make sure we get as many students going into the trades because you could probably have 100% placements at this school.
Trades are becoming more and more valuable. The diesel industry especially is growing. The need for techs is competitive and employers know it. So coming into this industry, in this field, you're gonna have employers fighting for you to come into their company, giving you top dollar amounts. There will never be a lack of work. The truckers, as we know, are the backbone of America. Everything that we have in our home comes off of a truck. Everything that's in the stores comes off the truck. The diesel techs are the ones who work on the trucks and get them back on the road. So the trucks depend on the technicians to get them in, get them out. Whenever COVID hit, our trucks didn't stop. Because our trucks didn't stop, our technicians didn't stop. So when everybody else was working from home and taking a break during, COVID and things like that, our diesel techs were still working.
Over the years, I have not seen a demand this much for technicians. We've been talking about this for years. There's gonna be a shortage in trades. There's gonna be a shortage in technicians, and it's a real issue. But it's also created opportunities. The opportunities for the youngsters to get into a skilled trade and come right out of school and get a job, a very well-paid job, that has not happened in past.
If we can encourage young men and women to attend WyoTech and be part of the best diesel technology program available, there is absolutely unlimited opportunities for employment for them coming out in graduation. The needs for diesel technicians that are trained and able to jump right in coming out of trade school is at its all-time high, and I only foresee it getting higher even still.
One thing that I find that people make those claims that, diesel's making a comeback. Diesel never left. It's always been here. So why not? We've got enough young adults who want to get their hands dirty, want to make money quick and easy, and grow in a career that's successful for them. So diesel's right here for that.